It's a fire station?
Yes, look! Sam! The Sam's fire station, look!
Can you get it out?
Yes, look!
Oh. Oh my gosh, what is that? That's a pretty cool fire station.
Yes, I don't believe it because I was asking for that.
You were asking for it?
Yeah.
It opens up. Who is it? Let me see. Hold it up. Oh, it's Station Officer Steele.
Mama?
Yeah.
How this works?
How does it work?
Yeah.
Oh, are you excited? Let's take a look at it. Oh my goodness, that is super cool.